In this guide, I'm going to explain WhatsApp username feature. The WhatsApp username feature is a massive structural redesign and privacy upgrade launched by Meta. This feature fundamentally changes how users identify themselves by allowing global username reservations, meaning you can chat, join groups, and interact with businesses completely securely without ever revealing your personal phone number. While phone numbers remain attached to the accounts behind the scenes for back-end verification and login recovery, your username serves as a primary public identity. Instead of handing over your private phone number to a new contact, classmate, or a stranger online, you can simply give them your exact username. At the moment, you are able to reserve a username. For that, navigate to the U page, go to the option Account. Now head over to the option Username. You are able to use the username of Instagram or Facebook as well. If you want to do so, click on those. In case you want to generate a new username, click on Create Username. Now go ahead and type in your preferred username for your WhatsApp account. If the username is available, you will be able to save it. And just with that, you have reserved the username in your WhatsApp account. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.